Hello everyone, I'm Garima. This lecture is for JNM second year, and in today's lecture we're gonna talk about the topic Turner syndrome. Introduction. As I told you in my last lecture that there are 23 pair of chromosome in our body, and there are two types of chromosome. First is sex chromosome and second is autosome. सेक्स क्रोमोसोम डिसाइड करता है कि आप फीमेल बनोगे या फिर मेल बनोगे, एंड बचे हुए 22 पेयर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम होते हैं जो बाकी बॉडी की चीज़ों को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, वो ऑटोजोम्स में आते हैं। तो क्या होता है, टर्नर सिंड्रोम एक जेनेटिक कंडीशन एंड सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर है डेट अफेक्ट्स ओनली फीमेल्स, ऑटोजोमल नहीं है, जिसे डिस्क्राइब किया था डॉक्टर हेनरी टर्नर ने इन 1938। नॉर्मल पर्सन में 46 क्रोमोसोम होते हैं, बट टर्नर सिंड्रोम में 45 क्रोमोसोम होते हैं। मीन्स अ फीमेल विथ टर्नर सिंड्रोम हैज़ ओनली वन नॉर्मल एक्स क्रोमोसोम, that is 45X chromosome, instead of usual 2X chromosome, that is 46XX chromosome. Turner syndrome is usually characterized by short stature and non-functioning ovaries, which cause the absence of sexual development and infertility. Despite the poor or absent ovarian function, other sexual and reproductive organs are normal in Turner syndrome female. Definition. Turner syndrome can be defined as a genetic disorder resulting from complete or partial monosomy of X chromosome, characterized primarily by hypogonadism in females. Firstly, what is monosomy? Monosomy is an abnormality in the number of chromosomes in our cells where there is presence of one chromosome from a pair. For example, a normal female individual has 2X chromosome. Now her karyotype will be written as 46XX. Now if a female individual has only one X chromosome instead of usual 2, her karyotype will be written as 45X. That is complete monosomy of X chromosome. What is partial monosomy? In this portion of an chromosome has only one copy, whereas the rest of chromosome has two copies. So Turner syndrome can be defined as a genetic disorder resulting from complete or partial monosomy of X chromosome, which is characterized primarily by hypogonadism in females. What is hypogonadism? Hypogonadism is a condition in which the body does not produce enough sex hormones or has an impaired ability to produce sex hormones. Incidence rate. Turner syndrome affects approximately 1 in 2500 live female births. Causes. The exact cause for this defect is not known, or normally females have two copies of X chromosomes while males have an X chromosome and a Y chromosome. Turner syndrome is the result of a partially or completely missing sex hormone, that is X hormone. It is considered to occur during the formation of the egg or sperm. Sign and symptoms. Turner syndrome leads to various developmental and medical problems that vary between individuals. First is prenatal or before birth. In this, first one is excess fluid collection on the back of neck or other parts of the body. Second is heart and kidney abnormalities. Next is at birth or during infancy. First is wide or web like neck. Second is small lower jaw. Third is small lower jaw. Third is high narrow roof of the mouth. Fourth is low hairline at the back of the head. Fifth is ears set a little lower than normal. Sixth is broad chest with widely spaced nipples. Seventh is arms turning outward at the elbows. Eighth is short fingers and toes. Ninth is narrow fingernails and toenails that are turned upward. Tenth is swelling of the hands and feet, especially at birth. 11th is reduced height at birth. 12th is delayed growth. Symptoms noted in older girls, teens, and young women are: first is short height, delayed or no puberty, amenorrhea, incomplete sexual developments, learning disabilities, and last is problems understanding social situations. Management. The two features of Turner syndrome in girls that may benefit from the use of growth hormone are short stature and lack of sexual development, that is, failure to reach puberty or to progress satisfactorily through puberty. Since the mid 1980 century, growth hormone, estrogen, and oxandrolone have been given to girls with Turner syndrome to improve growth. Growth hormone is the main treatment for girls with Turner syndrome to increase the rate of the growth and final height. That is, growth hormone treatment will continue until an adequate final height has been reached or the growing ends of the long bones have fused, meaning that maximum height has been reached. Next is treatment with the female sex hormone. Estrogen is given to initiate puberty in girls with Turner syndrome. In this, when there is no ovarian function, puberty will only occur if replacement estrogen therapy is given. And last is treatment should start at a time appropriate for the individual. That is, it may be necessary to delay puberty for 1 to 2 years to achieve extra height using growth hormone. Thank you.